Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another part of this Adhan Time app. And today we will cover the Adhan. And to make Adhan, we will we and sitting. We also need to build settings and set up Adhan data, set up database, and lots more. So we still need two screen here because one is setting skin because we need method setting method. That's why we need a setting screen such as you can see setting and sort where inside settings we need a settings method, and the method is you can see method. There is some method such as here, and it says Dubai is um, um, and there is calculation method some, and Dubai method, Egyptian method, Karachi method, Kuwait method. So we let the user use their method to change method in the Ajahn app. We need sitting screen, and we need all sitting screen for also other things or changing theme, uh, color theme of our app. So that is all, and we need a Ajahn setup screen. Uh, like this, we need a Ajahn setup screen where people where user can navigate for suppose if for Fajr he need to set up Azan for Fajr. He move to Fajr screen and choose his Azan, his Azan, uh, Azan one or Azan two, which he love to set. And then after getting this Azan, if he do not need Azan in Fajr, he can mute Azan or increase or decrease sound that screen is for Azan setup screen. We need to build that, and still to save the user preference we need a database, and I will try to use Hive database because Hive is fast. Then SQLite and shared preference for both reading and writing. And then we need another thing, location, Flutter local location, notification, because we need the notification for Ajahn, give notification for Ajahn to the user. And we also need some data classes object for saving data and playing data for settings and Ajahn. So let us move to our project. We need a Flutter notification to get that make install the Flutter or notification, local notification in your app, and paste. And here it is installing. And then what you need to do, you can see, okay, what you need is, it is very large documentary here, and you need if you need a full screen notification, full screen intent notification, then you can in under activate you can use this two line activity. Where is the activity? The activity is under Android. Activities under Android it has app under app it has source, under source it has main, and under main it has Android activity and activity Android manifest.xml, and Android.xml.manifest, here is the activity. So put place this two line here and save. Saving, move to our project. And then what we need we need some line. Here is the initialization of Android and shown here. You can see it is at first we need Flutter notification plugin. It takes a Flutter notification plugin variable, then it initialize for Android and initialize settings Android, and then what he did initial settings. Inside initial settings he include the Android, and then uh, he initialize the initialization settings, and then he set up notification. And for this, so we can for these lines we can build a notification manager and move to our project, and let us write some code here. So move and create a folder say create notification manager, notification underscore manager. Here in notification manager you can say notification underscore manager dart. Here you can create a class stl stateless wizard notification manager. Here you can import the material dart, and then here sorry, we don't need stateless wizard. Sorry, we need just only class, and don't remove that import because we need the import later for. But under class notification manager we will include these lines and these lines, but first we need these two lines at first, and uh, in, initialize these lines above it because it is constants. Okay, and import the package Flutter notification local notification. Yes, this is the variable Flutter notification plugin. After getting this variable, uh, what we can do, we can final another line is final initialize settings notification settings. It need here initialize the notification settings. We are not making for iOS and Mac because I do not have iOS and Mac to check. Here is the initialization settings, and it need constants. Okay, it is asking for constants, I think. Okay, and then here is we get the initialization settings, and inside it okay, and then this line await Flutter not local notification and initialize. You need to use this line inside our notification manager, and here you build create a method called initialize, and inside initialize it is asynchronous, and inside this asynchronous function add 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 the line, and it is asking for a function. Is function from a function that takes a string as input, and here is the function in the readme, and here is the function, and it is saying that it need context, and with the context it will move the second screen, and but we do not have context. So, and you can, why we need this line, if we can skip this line. Okay, we can skip this line. And okay, and then and notification payload, and here it is saying in the it is string payload is nullable. That is why. uh, and then what I need, after initialization, after initialization, what we can do, yes, we can set the Adhan or set notification. Okay, set notification. And inside set notification, you can see how to set. We need, there is many types of any method for setting up notification. There is one is displaying, just displaying notification, and there is a schedule notification. Display notification, we can display notification with just writing dot flutter notification plugin dot show. I don't here is flutter notification plugin. Just to display notification, flutter notification plugin dot show. You can write this. Displaying notification is easy, but we just do not want to display notification. We need to set up notification of our Adhan, say at the Adhan time. So we need schedule notification. Okay, to for scheduling a notification, you need to import these two lines. It comes from time zone, I think. Import this two line, and then initialize this line fast. And and if you for global, don't set the location, don't do that. This set a default, set a default local time zone. Do not set local time zone if you want to on this app run as globally. Okay, then what you need to these lines, this is the final lines to set the notification. Okay, then yes, move there, and it is asynchronous because it need to wait for playing setting notification. And of how it worked. Okay, on Android, waiting to see zone, title, ID, and duration. Okay, Android details. Okay, how easy, absolute time. And that is all. And we need last one. We need a last one is canceling notification. uh, can cancel notification. And cancel notification is Flutter notification plugin. It has the method to cancel the notification. Cancel all for canceling notification. Okay, then here it says it is ID. Actually, this ID, you can see it is ID in int. ID not must not be same. ID must need to be different, and it is title of it will be show here. The title is Salat time or Azan Salat time. and body is wake up for salat. Body is pray, pray salat is better than sleep. And my channel name ID is or anything, and channel name is um, Adhan App, and description is I think this ID Adhan for prayer. Okay, and what ID I ideally Android allow while ideally means true is and the alarm will run when Android phone is locked, and it will it will try to run the notification in the absolute time, and that is all here. And after and here this line means the notification will run after 5 seconds. Okay, and that is all. And if the here in above for this line I commented these lines, these two line I comment. It means actually it means it will await navigation dot push. It push whenever I click on the notification, whenever I click on the notification whereby somewhere it will take me to the page which second which I return here. So I if I need to move the user to a page, then I can create a page st stateless wizard notification page notification page, and inside notification page there is a scaffold, and inside scaffold there is body, inside body center the child, and child here return text, and the text is here it takes a final string payload, and it will get from here, and if it gets a payload it will say okay, it will say time payload time, it is time go to prayer, and the payload, where is payload is the here is the payload is salat or something like string. Okay, and that is all. And what I do need to do, I will uncomment these 4 lines, control K U, and instead of second screen I will notify here press notification page and import. Okay, it takes payload, and payload is payload, and you need to null, and it needs context. So how we can set the context? It I can select notification, and where I use select notification here. So initialize. I think I need to get the uh, context from here. It is build context, and after getting this, I move this function here so that it can get the context. And okay, above the line. Yes, now it is okay. Alhamdulillah. uh, so we need to initialize under build context, or else we cannot get the notification or set notification. And we now last thing we need to do is we need inside we z flutter binding visits flutter binding dot ensure initialize flutter binding dot ensure initialize. And that is all. We need to try this notification is it is working or not. And before that we need to set the app icon where here it says initialize the plugin, and app icon needed to be added as a drivable resource or to the Android head project. Where is the Android head project? Android head project is in Android app source main. It is a head project, and resource is a resource. And drivable, where is drivable? It is the drivable, and we need a icon inside here. So I will search for a mosquitoes icon, and icon. Here is the many icon we get. Just take an icon and move to the containing folder and copy the icon and paste the icon to that under drawable and name it as icon, or as you like, you can like. And this is the name icon, and it is in jpg. I think I need a png image, or try something else. PNG is better. I think I need PNG image. I convert this JPG to PNG. JPG to PNG. Pasting the icon. Oh, where it takes drop file here. Oh, good. Select file type, and we need PNG. Where is PNG, and export. Yes, PNG. Yes, we need PNG icon. Okay, then that is all. And to try notification, we will try notification here. So inside body, I grab with this column and create a button here, elevated button, and inside this elevated button, just child text press here, and on tap on press it need on press. What we will do, we will initialize notification manager. Notification manager is, it is asynchronous function. At first notification manager need to be is equal to notification manager, and it is equal to notification manager. And after getting the notification manager, copy and initialize it with notification manager dot in initialize or with context, and then after initializing, notification manager dot set notification, and that is all. Try the notification manager. One thing I forgot to do, the thing is, get a notification page and return it here, because we need to check the notification page is working or not. And other thing is, we need some Adhan, and to set Adhan as the notification. And as here you can here in notification details, here you can see group audio. There is, okay, inside this Android details we need to set up here. We need to set full screen intent true. You can do it to no problem, and ongoing is not. Sound play sound is true, and after that we can do what we can do. I can make color, and we can sound Android notification sound there, notification sound. And here we need to place our Adhan notification sound. Here we need to place our Adhan what Adhan name notification. Here we need to paste raw resource. You can see here notification sound. Here we can paste raw resource and red notification sound, and here it goes a string. A string is the Adhan name, and Adhan name, and what it do, I can move to this where it is. You can see moved here, press control and move here, and you can see the resource would be found where under res/raw. Okay, if you understand this carefully, you need to place your Adhan under res, then there is a folder named raw. We need to place Adhan inside this raw. Open containing folder, or yes, the it is opened, and here is the raw, and place the Adhan here. And I have collect 3 Adhan. Please collect Adhan from YouTube or anywhere else. And here is the Adhans, and press under raw. Okay, then you need to paste the name of the Adhan. Okay, suppose I copy the and paste the name this Adhan. And after pasting this and rerun, exit and rerun the code by Flutter run, and then we will check the Adhan. Okay. One thing I need to do main access element dot I, I make it center, and one more step I need to do is full screen intent is true, and now check and refresh and checking. Now if I play sound, you can see if I play you can see the app, and if I press, and after 5 seconds we are getting notification. Yes, we are getting notification, and when you click notification it says salat time, go to prayer. So that is what the problem is. Adhan is not playing, but this is all about the notification manager, I know. And we will do add. So what we need to do actually, we need to uh, take a make a we need just a duration to set notification. We need a duration of the notification, or we need a date time. Suppose a date time, we need a date time, and date time time and we need sorry, date time, not date time, and we need time, and we need id, id, and we need a message as a string. Waqt, we will say waqt salat time, or fajr, johor, asr, and or we can skip this and it doesn't matter any. And what I need, and yeah, and where from my duration I will get the duration, I will get uh duration is, where is the error? Oh, set not of yes, it should error here, we'll fix it later. and and what we need more, we need time, id, and waqt, and we need we need we need yes, and no, and we will get the duration from the time, and time dot dot difference difference date time dot now. This difference will give us a duration, and in that duration we will play Azan, and we can play Azan for, and id will give it is not main, we it is just a practice, and we will set Azan tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum, because the tutorial is getting so long. Suppose jet time time, we will give them year or something like that, and that's it. See you in the next part of this tutorial. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.